High school graduation is not only a big accomplishment, but also a big relief until you realize you're footing the bill once you head off to college.
Trying to figure out how to make ends meet to cover, now groceries and books and extracurriculars and even their own travel. This is hard to do. And frankly, a lot of that stuff is more expensive right now.
Fortunately, parents, 'tis the season to present your kids with financial lessons.
Whether it's the presents they're going to buy or a cash gift that they received and how to use it, or even thinking about holiday travel. Each of those is an opportunity to open the door, have the conversation.
And there are tools available to help young people learn financial responsibility with safety nets.
We designed and built the college checking account so that students under 25 could have an account with no monthly service fee for up to 5 years, where they could track their spending, send money to friends and family, and do all of that from the palm of their hand in the Chase app. And in that app, there are all kinds of other tools. One of my personal favorites is Credit Journey, where you can see your credit score and then find out very specifically how to raise your credit score. And it even comes with identity monitoring.
And the autosave feature will help them save money without having to think twice about it. Set it, forget it, and the money grows. Get more info at chase.com/familybanking.